Hi all, I'm Jeff Jr. with Trajan Wealth, and January was already a crazy start to 2021. But I can't wait to see where the rest of the year takes us. The COVID vaccine seems to be the driving force behind most economic growth in the year 2021. So today's market review is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to give you a market update focusing on the significant impact of the COVID vaccine on the market. So overall, the markets have been quite bullish, continuing their huge recovery from last year's drop. Now, both Pfizer and Moderna have released their 2-dose COVID vaccines to the public. Not far behind is Johnson & Johnson, whose stock is surging to all-time highs as the company ramps up trials of their vaccine. Now, why is Johnson & Johnson vaccine such a big deal? Now, simply put, it's a single dose, and it can be stored at room temperature, meaning it can make vaccine rollout significantly quicker. This would be a big deal for the markets, and many experts suspect bullish results when this vaccine makes it past the trial stage. Amazon, Walmart, Starbucks, Microsoft, and even Google have offered to help with vaccine distribution. They've converted their facilities and parking lots into vaccine sites, offered transportation and storage options, and even provided additional grants of funding. Now, of course, we're familiar with the term quid pro quo. This is no different. These companies are hoping to get their workers some of the first doses in return. Vaccinations and heavy government and corporate support to end the pandemic spell the economy's potential to grow substantially this year. Now, barring any black swan event, I'm calling for a very solid market gain in 2021. So, what is most significant risk to worry about then? Now, Goldman Sachs says that a new vaccine-resistant strain could slow growth to 4% in 21 versus their forecasted 6.6%. But this is what viruses do, I say, and Moderna is easing those concerns. Studies on their current vaccine show that it still protects against the 2 new virus variants. This news caused Moderna stocks to gain as much as 12% on Monday, January 25th alone. And as of the date of the filming, Moderna has gained around 28% in January. The key word throughout this update is hope. The markets seem to be riding on the hope that the tide is turning with this pandemic. Now, looking further out, once we have that pandemic under control, I wonder if the market makers might turn their attention to actual company earnings and earnings prospects. Will they still like what they see? I think so. Now, making a financial plan for the year can be hard enough. Planning to take advantage of opportunities and minimizing losses in 21 takes a special kind of skill. So, come talk to a Trajan Wealth fiduciary advisor. We can help you prepare for the potential ups and downs that the rest of this year is likely to bring. Now, like we always say, ready for the worst, but hope for the best. So until next time, happy February.